I would like to say a few words about this song. As we have approached in spring, so listen to what the Tagore is trying to say about this song. The song is called Aha Aji E Boshonte. The abundance of blossoms in this spring. Flute sounds sweet, bird sings. Heart of my partner is soft as a flower, whose aversion causes her to fall out. Why come close? Smile in vain. Who used to come close doesn't wish to do so. Happy those who are, let them remain so. Let the happy spring have a happy ending. Tears of an upset maiden be concealed, hidden from people who are happy. They see but do not reveal. They understand but who would not manifest. They do not look back. So this is the meaning of this upcoming song. I must say the sun is being so kind to me. Thank you.
DesiBlitz.com